Hello, I'm Aditeya Pandey from Northeastern University, and I'm happy to present our work, Effect of Anthropomorphic Glyph Design on the Accuracy of Categorization Tasks. Categorization is the classification of an object based on features. To classify a fruit, we look at its features like the shape, size, and the color. In many categorization tasks, the feature needs to be visually presented to the users. Data glyphs can be an appropriate method to visually communicate categorization data because they're designed to represent multidimensional objects. However, when it comes to glyph design, there are many different ways to represent them. For example, on the left we have a multicolored chart which is an example of an abstract glyph design. And on the right we have Chernoff faces, which is an example of how to map data to features of a face. Given the diversity in the design space of data glyphs, in this study we ask, what is the effect of glyph design on the accuracy of categorization tasks? To answer this question, we designed a study and evaluated the accuracy on 4 glyph designs that varied from abstract to anthropomorphic. Prior work has shown that human-like or natural-looking figures are more memorable and easier to distinguish. Therefore, we hypothesized that the face glyph will lead to a higher categorization accuracy. Contrary to our hypothesis, we found evidence that non-anthropomorphic glyph was more accurate as compared to the anthropomorphic glyph designs. More specifically, in a within-subject study, we found that participants were more accurate with the pixel glyph compared to all other glyphs. And the difference between the pixel and the face glyph was significant. To understand the results better, we performed a post-hoc analysis. From the analysis, we learned that with the abstract pixel glyph, participants pay equal attention to all features, so it helps them make more accurate decisions. However, with the face glyph, participants focus on visually salient features, which leads to suboptimal performance in the categorization tasks. The key takeaways of this study are, if you require categorization tasks where equal attention has to be given to all features, it is essential to use a glyph design where features are equally perceptually salient. Alternatively, we can use glyph designs where the features are not perceptually salient, like the face. I want to thank all my co-authors for their help. Thank you very much.